Well, hello everybody and welcome to another edition of As the Crow Flies Hiking. I'm going to do something a little different today. I got tagged in a challenge. It is called the Gallon Challenge. I got tagged by Backcountry Pilgrim. Doug over there at his channel tagged me in this. And initially when he texted me and said, "Will you accept this challenge?" I thought, oh, that's the ice cream challenge, right? It's from that Pine Furnace place halfway on the AT where you go and you eat half a gallon challenge of ice cream. You pick your flavor. I thought, this is going to be fun. I get to eat ice cream. Then I watched this video. This is not an ice cream challenge. This is picking up garbage challenge. So I did what any good father would do. I was going to make my son do it. No, I'm just kidding. I recruited my son Sawsaw, and we decided we would do the gallon challenge on this video. So we're going to go out to a local park and see if there's garbage out there. This is such a cool challenge and such a great service that Bexar Outfitters, he's the one that started this, challenge people to do, and that is going out and picking up garbage at your trail. That I thought I would like to do this. So challenge accepted. Doug, I think he challenged me and Mark Goes Hiking to do this, so I think this will be fun. Also, you know, I've seen a lot of this from Motivated by Mountains. Motivated by Mountains channel. He does a lot of picking up garbage on the trails and stuff. Does a really good service. So it kind of inspired me to do this as well. Anyway, we'll just see how it goes. So Sawsaw, you ready? We got our bags. We put the Gallon Challenge sticker on there, and we're gonna see if we can fill it up. This is a little bit more than a gallon. It's one of our kitchen garbage bags. So I don't know if we can fill up everything, but who knows what we'll find. Also, as part of this challenge, Sawsaw, we decided that he and I would do kind of a challenge inside a challenge, and that is, we'll see who can pick up the most garbage. So are you okay with that?
Yeah. If
he wins, we'll go get some ice cream. Since I thought the challenge was about ice cream to begin with, if you win, you want to go get ice cream for that?
Yeah.
What if I win?
Then nothing happens.
No, we can't do that. Yeah. You got to like cut the grass or something. Is that okay?
Yeah.
All right. Oh yeah, one thing I failed to mention. At the end of this video, I'm going to challenge 2 other people. I think that's part of it, that you challenge 2 other people to do the Gallon Challenge as well. Stay tuned at the end of the video and you'll see who we challenged. Okay, so we made it to the trailhead. Here we are, we're on a local trail that's like a down and back, a few miles, and it's a very popular place for people to come run and hike. I think Sawsaw's already found some trash. You find some?
Yeah.
What'd you find?
Red tape or something.
Oh, okay. Got a little tape, probably from another garbage bag. We've already seen that the trailhead is pretty clear, so we'll keep moving on down the trail and see what we can find.
Oh, it's a banana peel.
You think there's trash down there?
Yeah, I'm thinking there is. Oh, look, there's trash right here.
What is it? Ooh, gross.
Got some trash.
Found some plastic?
Yep.
Okay. We'll keep moving. Water bottle. That is a mean looking millipede right there. That is a big old sucker. Oh, okay, yeah. Oh, no problem. I got my bag pretty much full. There it is. And Sawsaw's got his bag pretty much full. So we're heading back. We were able to basically go about, I don't know, a mile on the trail and fill everything up. So it just kind of goes to show how much garbage there is out here. And so we're heading back to the truck and then we'll be done with the gallon challenge. Thanks Sawsaw for coming out here and doing this with me. I appreciate it, buddy.
Yeah, now we gotta see who has the most trash. See if I have to mow the lawn or you gotta take me.
Oh, I forgot.
Something to eat.
I forgot about that. Yeah, so I think we got to go back to the truck and figure out who has the most garbage. We'll see y'all in a little bit. Boy, it's hot out here. It's August in Alabama, and that means hot. So the last part of this challenge deals with challenging 2 other people to do the gallon challenge, to pick up trash on the trailhead. I couldn't choose 2, so I chose 3. The first one that I'm challenging is that I'm tagging Justin from It's Good in the Woods. Man, he's got an awesome channel, one of my favorite YouTube channels, because he does a variety of cool stuff. He does stuff like I do, kayaking and hiking and stuff. Oh, you found something? I'm challenging you, Justin, to do the gallon challenge. Second is Kathy's Outdoor Adventures. Kathy has an awesome channel. Her and her husband and family and children, they do all kind of hiking and skiing and stuff, but they also do off-road 4-wheeling on these rocks and stuff. Man, those videos are so cool to watch. So Kathy, I'm tagging you, challenge with the gallon challenge. And then lastly, DMS Adventures. They have fun videos to watch. It's Rugged Mountain Mister, hey buddy, and Rugged Mountain Sister. They've been great supporters of my channel. And in fact, Sawyer and I were watching their Hot Wheel racing video. Wasn't that cool, Saw?
Yeah.
DMS Adventures, Rugged Mountain Mister, Rugged Mountain Sister. I'm challenging you guys to do the gallon challenge. Okay, we made it back to the trailhead. Kind of a busy street over here. There's probably a lot of garbage out on the road, more so than on the trail, but we did find our share of garbage. There's my bag, and there's Saw's bag. I'm gonna say that Saw wins the gallon challenge.
Obvious choice.
But that's good for me because I like ice cream. So we're gonna take our garbage, put it in the trash can over there, and then we're gonna go get some ice cream. We finished our gallon challenge, and me and Saw got some ice cream. He got a little Sunday action with the dirt and worms. What is it? That's cookies and
Gummy worms.
Gummy worms. Look at that. That's some awesomeness. And I just got vanilla ice cream. I'm pretty vanilla. All right, thank you guys. We'll see you next time.